Primetime news this evening. Government to appeal Supreme Court ruling that multiple use of SOEs were unconstitutional. Man in custody after physically assaulting nurse. And Job Lane residents stage march demanding greater protection of the nation's children.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. Now, coming up in the financial week a little later on, Jamaica to benefit from new measures to improve trade relations with China.
And Spencer Darlington was here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, there were two Jamaican winners at the Doha Diamond League meet today. We'll give you all the details in Primetime Sports later.
And Janella, we had a lot of rain today. Ramin, what's coming up in the weather report this evening?
Thanks, Felicia. Yes, we did have over 60 millimeters of rainfall be recorded in southern sections of Kingston. We also had quite a bit of activity further north. We are expecting more of this to linger across the area. We do have those thunderstorms that are expected in the afternoons this weekend.
Thanks, Romain. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But, Kalisha, before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the Supreme Court ruling that the government's declaration of multiple states of public emergency between 2018 and 2023 was unconstitutional?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.